Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making iron rich sandwich for pregnancy. If you are pregnant, so eat this sandwich and carefully watch this recipe. This is very healthy for you. For this we need whole wheat bread, grated beetroot, curry leaf, mint leaf, chopped tomato, spinach, chopped green chili, sliced onion, coriander leaf, sliced beetroot, coriander seed powder, salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Take 1 teaspoon of refined oil, add 1 medium sized chopped onion, add some curry leaf, mix it, add chopped green chili as per your taste, mix it well. Now add around 50-60 grams of grated beetroot, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, salt as per your taste, mix it well. Add 2 chopped tomato has lots of vitamin C. Now add 150 grams of spinach, it has vitamin E, iron, mix it well. Add salt as per your taste. Now cook till extra moisture evaporate. So our stuffing is ready. Now take whole wheat bread, apply melted butter, apply coriander and mint chutney we had made, put stuffing 1.5 teaspoon. Now add sliced beetroot, cover it with another bread, add little butter on top. Now in a frying pan, add little clarified butter. You can use normal butter also. Now place the sandwich and on low flame cook till crisp. Add little butter on the top and flip it. And your very healthy iron rich sandwich for pregnancy is ready. Thank you.